on?
Yes.
Okay. Hi everybody, in today's episode we are going to be doing an unboxing of a gift that we got from MelodySusie. Are you excited?
Yes.
I'm excited.
Please open. Okay, I'll grab the file, you grab the instructions. So it comes with user manual that no one probably reads, right? But he will be reading it because he has to learn about the e-file. But let's see what it comes with. It comes with quite a lot. So this is the piece that you would be keeping the handle on.
Yeah.
It comes with these bits. And it comes with these two. This is actually very good.
Yeah, the ceramic bit?
Yeah. This one, it's nice and shiny. We'll go over them in a second. This is, I guess you put it into the e-file to hold the...
You have kind of like the whole hip shot thing happening. Yeah.
Okay, this is cables.
It's very important that you use the correct cabling. Please pay attention to that.
Yeah, just mark it that it's for this e-file, right?
So, and here's the handpiece. Very nice, actually.
Let's compare it in a second. Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, it's nice.
It's light.
But it feels like it's got...
Some good weight to it.
Reminds me of the Jade one.
Yeah, yeah. Like, I think it is Jade, it's just different color. We'll compare it for you. You see, it sits like this.
This is not a full review. This is just kind of an unboxing and a quick comparison to the other ones that we have. We will be doing another video a little more in-depth with the details. This is just kind of like the initial unboxing of the I think MR5. It's part of their M series.
Yeah, as soon as I am able to work with it. I've been working with the other e-files to give you my honest opinion. All right, so let's see how this works. I'm gonna turn off the lights so you can see a little bit better. I have to say, it's very, very quiet. It's extremely quiet, but this is not very visible. At a certain angle it is, but you have to look at it straight. So this is at 22,000 RPM. Can you hear? So this one has an important feature: forward, neutral, and reverse.
That should be a standard feature in all e-files.
Let me show you. Okay, so this is forward. So now you don't have to turn it off and put it into neutral and go back. You can just have it on, put it in neutral, wait for this to stop spinning, and then you would go on the other side, which is good because when you have it set to a comfortable speed, you don't have to then again fiddle with the dial, right?
Yeah.
And I find them quite strong. They don't stop. You can put pressure.
These have really good torque. Like the motors that they use.
It's very different from like years ago. It does not slow down.
These have like really good like metal brush motors in them. I think they're good for 35,000 RPM.
As higher speed would
power pack. I think that's like 15 hours of juice.
They last for a long time. Mind you, I don't do hard gel or acrylic. I do natural nails and just some gel polish removal.
So it lasts actually quite a long time.
But it's really, and by the way, so when you are working with this very quickly, this is becoming like a tips on how to use e-file video, but whatever. So when you are working with it, you have to make sure that when you put it in the neutral, that you actually, when you're finished with your e-file, when you're finished with your job, that you actually switch it off with the dial, because otherwise when it stays on neutral, it drains the battery.
Yeah.
Like this, it's still, the e-file is still on.
Yeah. So you have to be very careful that you don't accidentally leave it on, and then you come into you
start your next job and it's dead, right?
Yeah.
So it has to be turned off.
So let's take a quick comparison here. Let's take a look at this. So this one right here is the SparklePlus Pro. This is the MR5, I believe. And then we have the Jade.
So this one is the newest. So this is the newest.
And then, well, if we go by newest.
Okay. So this is how we got them,
So this is the Jade, the SparklePlus Pro, and the MR5. So you can see kind of like these two are very similar in size, roughly.
But this one is much thinner.
Yeah. Also, that these two have the same plug.
Yeah.
So if you had to, let's say you had both of them and you need to change your power pack, these will work with each other. However, you'll find that the Jade does not work with the other units because it has a 3-prong rather than 2. So that's something to bear in mind.
Yeah.
Now the handles, mind you, I think that they are fairly similar to one another. These two being the most similar.
Let's
compared.
See. Yeah. Can you see? Hold on.
Yeah. So I think these two
this one seems slimmer, maybe.
It is like marginally slimmer compared to these two guys, right?
Yeah.
But no, they feel very good. They have good weight to them. They feel like they're quality.
This one seems, no, they're all the same.
Yeah, they're all the same. Yeah.
Yeah.
They all feel about the same. This one actually feels a little heavier, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's not heavy.
No,
guys,
no.
I never
it's
feel
very
this.
balanced. Very
I never
balanced,
feel that my hand gets tired from holding the machine.
And I mean, like, we're talking after hours and hours of using the MelodySusie handles, like especially the SparklePlus Pro. Like, there's
we've been using this for a long time.
This one has the most hours against it out of all the ones, because the one that we do not have in this video right now, just because it's not currently at the studio, is the Scamander.
Yeah, the Scamander is much weaker. It's a much more
it's an older model.
And it's like a beginner's maybe
Yeah.
for natural nails. Like I have to say these ones are
Like
my
the
favorites.
torque in them is really good. The hand pieces are very balanced. They are
Can I
great
turn
when it
this
comes
on
to the
show? Okay, I'm going to turn off the light because it's very, very bright here. So you can see this one is quite visible.
yeah. Like it's very bright. It's
the display.
yeah.
This one is much.
I don't know if we
I don't know if I can do that without having the machine. Yeah, and this one.
Yeah, these two are very reminiscent when it comes to the screens are concerned. Like, let's just give it a quick little. Yeah, these are basically the exact screen, right?
Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Yeah.
Where this one actually has a different screen.
This one has a bigger display.
Yeah, and it's brighter.
Yeah, just like you see, yeah.
Now all of these have a neutral position, do they not?
No, this one doesn't.
This one doesn't have the neutral position. That's correct. So this one only goes forward, reverse. So that is one of the downsides of the Jade, is it doesn't have that kind of neutral position compared to these two, right?
Yeah.
And as you can see, like even on the top end, like they are very similar to one another here, right? Actually, let me just flip that around real quick. So, yeah, you can see here, like they're very similar to each other. But no, you know what, guys? Our experience with MelodySusie for their e-files so far,
I would say it's excellent.
have been very, very good.
I recommend them because again, I've been using this machine now for how long?
Oh,
a year?
Let's say.
Yeah, and it's really, really good.
It's never failed. It has never given us a hard time. It has been very, very good.
It doesn't heat up. Again, I'm using this for gel polish mainly, but I also use it for pedicures. So it's good. It works. I don't have any issues.
Yeah. So we will be doing, as I said, another video on this one, a little more detail, a little more in depth, like as far as, you know, build quality, maybe some of the changes. And also,
if you're interested, let us know.
And you know, once we actually get a bit of experience with this one in particular, you know, once we get some mileage on it, then we can
tell you more.
Exactly.
But in the meantime, I'll be now switching one of these to this because I have this one right now at my pedicure station, this one at my desk. And so I'll definitely be using this one.
Maybe we'll have to put this one to sleep for a little bit and move this, you know, and replace it with this guy for a short time and keep that over at the pedicure station.
No, it's comfortable. I like it.
But
I like all of them.
Super good. Super
honestly.
good. This one's been super good. So I'm going to expect the same.
I find this one a little bit stronger. I find like it has a better torque.
Interesting.
I think, because I can work on a very low speed. Like I can work on the natural nails with like, let's say these bits, right? Because that's what with these bits, with the Erica, that's what I use to remove the cuticle. And I can work at like 5,000 RPM and it does not slow down. It really feels enough.
So this goes to show you that, you know, size doesn't matter.
It works really well.
So if you guys are interested in purchasing these, you know, as a professional, we do have some links.
Links in the description box and a coupon code. DSL12 for 12% off. And if you could go, if you're interested, obviously, in purchasing them, and if you can go through the affiliate link, we would very, very much appreciate it. So let's just very quickly look at what comes with the e-file. So these two bits.
Those are actually decent bits.
And then they come also with these ones. And these are coarse sanding bands. So make sure you don't use these ones on natural nails. I use it for pedicures sometimes. Okay. So this is it for today's video.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Ciao.
Bonus here. So this is, I wanted to show you, this is at 5,000 RPM. I'm not sure, again, if you can see it. So very, very slow speed. And I'm putting pressure. And this is not slowing down. Like, and you don't even need that much pressure when you're working on a natural nail. Like, you would use feather light touch with the natural nails. Right. So it's more than plenty. So this is good.